When we sit down with our client, ang goal namin talaga is to educate and serve. Hanapin kung nasaan ang gap sa finances nila and help them find the right solution depende sa situation nila. Madalas may nagtatanong sa akin, "Oh Michelle, gusto ko nang mag-invest para lumago ang pera ko." And I love that mindset. Pero minsan, may nag-overlook tayong isang simple rule. Dito sa Canada, kung gusto mong mag-invest pero may 19% credit card interest ka pa, Mamshi, real talk lang ha, every month na hindi fully paid ang credit card mo, that is 19% interest that is quietly eating your future returns. Imagine this. For example lang, kumita ka ng investment mo ng 8%, pero nagbabayad ka ng 19% interest dyan sa credit card mo. That's an 11% gap against you. Hindi ito smart move mga moms. Parang tumatakbo ka pero hindi umaabante. To be wise with our money, we don't start with investing. We start with strong foundation. Una, step 1, build small emergency fund. Pangalawa, eliminate aggressively high interest rate. Pangatlo, din saka tayo magpalago ng pera the smart and sustainable way. We don't build wealth on top of stress. We build it in stability.